Naglabas ng mariing pahayag si Mayor Nina Jose Quiambao ng Bayambang kaugnay ng pananakit kay Taylor Swift habang ito ay nagpe-perform sa bayan. Sa kanyang pahayag, tinawag niya ang insidente bilang homophobic, at ipinangako na tiyak na mapaparusahan ang taong may kagagawan nito. Sa isang live video, ibinalita ni Mayor Nina na ang sospek ay nasa kustodiya na at haharap sa kaso dahil sa pag-atake kay Taylor Swift. Ang mabilis na aksyon na ito ay nagpapakita ng pagtutol ng Bayambang sa homophobia at pisikal na pang-aabuso. Pinatitibay ang kanilang pangako para sa kaligtasan at pagkakapantay-pantay para sa lahat ng mga residente. Hindi ko papayagan ang homophobia at pisikal na pang-aabuso sa aking bayan, mariing deklara ni Mayor Nina sa kanyang pahayag. Binigyang diin niya ang kahalagahan ng katarungan at panyanatag ang loob ni Taylor Swift at ng komunidad na aaksyonan ang isyu ng maayos. Ang matibay na paninindigan ni Mayor Nina laban sa ganitong uri ng karahasan ay halata, na nagpapakita na ang Bayambang ay isang mapayapang at ligtas na bayan kung saan hindi tatanggapin ang mga ganitong pagkilos. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang pahayag at live video, ipinahayag niya ang kanyang galit at determinasyon na harapin ang issue, tiyaking mananatiling modelo ang Bayambang ng pagtanggap at respeto para sa lahat. Mayor Nina Jose Quiambao of Bayambang made a resounding statement regarding the assault on Taylor Swift during her performance in the town. In her post, she unequivocally condemned the incident as homophobic, and vowed to ensure that the perpetrator faces the consequences of their actions. In a live video, Mayor Nina announced that the suspect is already in custody and will be facing legal charges for their assault on Taylor Swift. Her swift and decisive action sent a clear message that Bayambang does not tolerate homophobia or physical abuse within its borders. Mayor Nina's commitment to justice and safety for all residents was palpable in her words. "I will not tolerate homophobia and physical abuse in my town," she declared passionately. She emphasized that the incident will not go unpunished, reassuring Taylor Swift and the community that justice will prevail. Mayor Nina's strong stance against such violence resonated deeply, as she made it clear that Bayambang is a peaceful and safe town where such hateful acts have no place. Through her post and live video, she exhibited both anger and determination to address the issue head-on, ensuring that the town remains a beacon of inclusivity and respect for all.